You're gonna be detained.
You're not gonna detain me shit. And if he try to put some cuffs on me, I'm gonna go to jail for something different. I'm losing the fucking car.
After a missing 15-year-old girl was seen with some questionable individuals at an apartment complex. Upon the officer's arrival, the residents inside refused to open the door, escalating the situation into a tense confrontation.
Hello, maintenance. Hello. Is Margie home? No, where's she at?
Yeah, let's go.
What time she'll be back? In 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Because we're having a lot of complaints. There's more people other than her, because she's the only one on the lease.
You live here?
No, I'm just here.
Why are you here if you don't live here?
I'm visiting my sister.
Visiting who?
My sister.
Who's your sister?
Margie.
You get her on the phone?
What y'all need?
Well, I need to talk to her.
So she
Is there anybody else here?
No, she finna be on the way though.
You call her on the phone? We don't know who you are.
Huh?
We don't know who you are.
I'm her sister. I mean her brother.
He needs to know who you are. You don't have a right to be here.
I can call her, she not answer, but she finna be on the way right now.
So what's your name?
She should be pulling up.
What's your name?
Deron.
Deron. What's your last name?
William.
Who else is here?
Nobody.
You were just talking to somebody.
I was just talking to nobody.
See 20 and 28.
Were you here last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you're not just visiting. The problem is, he needs to figure out if you have the right to be here or not. Because maybe you're trespassing.
Nah.
If he can't talk to the person that is the leaseholder and verify that you have the right to be here, we're having a problem.
She's gonna get in trouble.
She finna be on the way.
Where's your ID?
She here.
Where's your ID? Need to see your ID.
What you need to see is ID for? He's a minor.
Who are you?
This my house.
What's your name?
Game. Then he came right here
Margie.
acting like he finna come in here with
This is it?
I never been like.
We need to verify your ID.
What you need to can you tell me what's going on?
Number one, he needs to verify that you're the resident here.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
The
manager.
maintenance man. Okay.
Number two, there's a missing juvenile that's reported to be here.
No, she's not. We just talked to her parents. She's not reported here. We just dropped her back off and ran late.
Who'd you talk to?
Her mother,
Who's her mother?
Candace.
So you saw the 15-year-old?
We got her from where she
Her
was.
backpack's in the room back there. Why is her backpack in the room back there?
You went in my house.
Nope.
Oh, well.
Why is her backpack
We
there?
talked to her mama. Can you can close the door, Duran? Excuse me.
You need to verify to this
I
man
just
who you
told
are
you
first.
who I was.
We need to see your ID.
Okay, excuse me. Can you close my door?
6803.
Can I request a sergeant or something? Because I asked you to get your foot out by my door. There's no one in there, and I just told you here.
We don't know you live here. We don't know who
This
you are.
is my house.
We don't know who you are.
What you need my ID for? I just told you my name is Margie Carter. You need to look on there and you could tell. I just told you. I don't have to show you anything because you're not looking for me.
Okay, we're investigating a missing juvenile.
And I just told you we talked to her mama.
Let me finish. If you don't cooperate and you don't furnish your ID, you're obstructing.
I
That's
know.
against the law. This man in here also.
He's not obstructing nothing. He's a minor.
Okay.
You don't
Then I
have
need to
nothing
see
to talk
his
to him.
ID.
You don't
You need
need
to
his ID.
verify.
No, you don't. You get your foot up out my door. Close the door and I'll
No.
talk to you properly.
No.
I just asked you to
No.
close my door.
Show
I
us
will
your
I
ID.
will once you close my door.
I don't know why you're screaming.
Because I asked him to close my door. I'm not talking to you. You stay back there. You ain't said in the first place. Don't say shit now. I asked you to move your foot up out my door.
Go get your ID and
I'm not
verify
going
who
to
you
get
are.
nothing until you get your foot up out my door. I just asked you to get your
You
foot
can
up out my
record me
door,
all
and I
you
will
want
get.
because
I
I'm
don't give a
recording
fuck. I
him.
don't care.
I'm recording you because
Okay, that's
you're gonna
fine.
be
But
charged
I
with
asked,
obstructing.
I'm not obstructing nothing.
We need to verify whether you're
And I
harboring
told
a
you
runaway,
I will do that.
a missing juvenile.
And I told you I would do that
You
once
will
you
be
get your
charged
foot up
with
out my door.
obstructing.
And I told you I
Harboring.
would do that once
You understand that?
once you get your foot up out my door. I
Who
will
did the
do
20
that.
come back to?
6820, go get 20, go get 20 again.
I'm trying to do the best I could for you. I'm trying to help you.
Go get your ID.
I will.
It's
Once
very
you get
simple.
your foot up out my door, I'm not
I
gonna
wanna
leave
make
you
sure
right
the
here with him.
15-year-old
Ain't
is
nobody in there with him
I
but
can't
him.
verify that.
I'm telling you that.
And I don't know that you live here.
I just told you I
I
would.
don't
He
care
gotta
what you
pay-
tell me. People
Okay.
lie all the time.
You ain't nobody to be lying to, mister. But can you get your foot out my door?
Who's Desiree?
I don't fucking know. That's not me.
Is that the car she came out of?
Yeah.
Were you driving that car?
What car? That Nissan I just pulled up in?
Yeah.
What about it?
Is that your car?
Why it matter?
Lady, we're trying to figure out where this missing juvenile, all right? What you're telling us doesn't gel with what we've been told. We're investigating, trying to find the kid. Her mom's a panic mess.
But her mama's
Trying to figure
literally, we literally just talked to her mom. That's what I'm telling you. I don't, this
Okay,
is too much going on. You talking about a 15-year-old. I don't know why you want to deal with no bullshit. Talking about a missing child. Not the mama.
How
house,
soon
no.
before they can get evicted?
Only 30 days, no more than 30 days.
I'm not going to get evicted for nothing. That shit don't got shit
When
to do with me.
when you obstruct and harbor a possible runaway.
Her mother literally
it's
said
against
that
the
it was
law.
okay for us
So the
for her to
management
be
here
here.
doesn't want people that have problems with the police. Right now, you're having a problem
With the police, exactly. That's why I'm
So
asking
you're
you,
gonna-
can you get your foot out my door?
I don't want this door to close until you come back. I'm not going in there. I'm not going in there.
Okay, but who are you?
I need to verify
standing
that.
there in
I
my
need to
door?
verify
You don't
he's
pay
not
right
missing
here.
either.
He not.
How do I know? I don't know his name. I don't know who he is. Tell me
So
what his name
I
is.
got a house full
Tell
of
me his
missing
date of
people.
birth.
You need to
You
go be talking to the motherfuckers.
You could.
Y'all need to
You
go be
could.
looking for the kids that's missing for real.
Okay, go get your ID.
I'm not going to get nothing because I got my ID on me.
Okay.
I asked you
Let
to
me see
take
your
your
ID.
foot out the door and I would do what you said.
I'm asking you to provide
I
identification.
asked you to
so
get
you're
your
gonna
foot
be
out the
detained.
door so I
You're
can do
gonna be
as you said.
detained.
You not
You're
detained
gonna-
shit. You got me fucked up. I didn't do shit. You at my house.
You're gonna be detained.
You not
Come
gonna
on.
detain me shit.
Where's your?
They looking
Give me
for
your ID.
Janelle.
Oh, got no
And he don't got no ID. I
How old
just
is he?
told you he's a minor, so you can
Huh?
stop talking to him. I'm his
15.
guardian.
You have a school ID.
He don't.
He doesn't go to school?
No.
Why not?
Stop touching me.
Bro, just
Don't
show
come
him
near
your
me because
ID,
you're gonna
man.
be detained. Okay?
I don't give a fuck about
We
none
need
of
to
that.
know
just
who
show
you
him your
are.
I'm not showing no ID shit because I asked him to do something he couldn't do. He sitting here saying trying to talk to you. I told him that we talked to her mama. You don't gotta give him your name neither. You do not have to give him your name because he's not fucking looking for you. You don't have shit to do with nothing, so you don't have to give him your
You want to
name.
get detained? You want to go in handcuffs?
He not going to no
That's the
motherfucking handcuffs, nothing. He not going to no handcuffs neither. You looking for a minor, that's what you need to be doing. And if he try to put some cuffs on me, I'm gonna go to jail for something different.
Just give him your ID.
Get the fuck on. I'm not playing with
Ron
you.
J, just
I'm
give
gonna
him
kick
your
his ass
ID,
in his
man.
fucking face. No.
Oh, just give him your ID.
Where do you live?
He's stay right there, duh.
Where are your parents?
I'm his parent.
You're here with your
I'm
son?
his guardian.
He lives
No,
here?
he's not on the lease. No.
He's not on the lease.
No.
He's not supposed to be.
Okay, he can live here with me though.
No, he can't.
How the fuck you gonna tell me?
Ask him.
Read your lease. It says on the lease.
You not Shelly or nobody. You don't know what I talk to anybody about, so you can be quiet. You can't speak English. Shut up.
See what?
Y'all looking for the wrong person. Why are y'all at her door?
Folks, just
Why don't you turn around and go? Because
No,
you don't have
see,
any-
that's what the fuck
That's
wrong
why
with
you
you.
don't
Turn around and
That's
go.
what
You
the
don't
fuck
know what
wrong
you're
with
talking
you.
about. You're looking for my little sister.
Exactly.
What's your name?
And I told
You don't need to know that
What's your
because
name?
you're looking for my little
Reggie.
sister and she's somewhere in
Reggie.
Round Lake.
Okay, Reggie, where's your sister?
She's somewhere in Round Lake with her friends, and I told her that.
Now it contradicts exactly what she just
That
said.
don't
No,
have
it-
nothing
no,
to do
it
with her.
don't.
And it doesn't. That don't have nothing to do with none of them, and you're at her door. This is not
You don't
her
live
address.
here, right?
Yes, I do.
Who's on the lease?
You have your ID?
No,
No,
he
I
don't have
don't.
to tell you no ad because who is you? You not the police.
You not, then that doesn't have nothing.
Even better, I represent the property. You're staying
Okay,
there.
I understand that, but this is what I'm saying.
You read your lease?
The reason why that they called you for looking for my little sister is because my little sister got out of that house because of my mom putting her hands on her. That girl is somewhere in Round Lake. She told me that
She's a missing juvenile.
Okay, but
Okay.
she told you want me to
She
call
needs
her?
to be
I'm finna call
returned
my, I'm
home.
finna call my mom so you guys
Call
can-
your mom.
I'm finna
Call
call
your
my
mom.
mom. I'm calling my mom now.
Call your G.
I thought you said you drop her off at the mom. So
Yeah, she literally.
That's what you said. That's what you said. It's
Okay,
on
I'm
video.
calling my mom
I
right
told
now.
you
Call
I
your
talked
mom.
to her mother. I told you, yes, I did tell you that we talked to her mother ourselves.
no. We're
You
gonna
don't even
review the body
understand
cam.
English. Be quiet.
We're gonna review the body
Okay,
cam.
but I got my mom on the phone right
So
now.
you're lying too. So
Nobody's lying.
she's lying. She said something different.
But this doesn't have nothing to do with her. This
That's why she
is
should
my
be sent to
girlfriend. That's what I'm
police
saying.
and no
Y'all got
And
her
then he
business
talking about
coming over
eviction in
here.
30 days because of police activity. Like, I don't even know what the fuck he's
This
talking
doesn't
about.
have nothing to do with her. She's calling. She's sent y'all
Where'd you
to.
come out of?
This is
Just walked in.
No, but I mean,
my
is
friend
he in
was
the
over.
car?
My friend was over here.
Can
But
you call your
listen.
G-Mon, please?
Okay, I'm calling.
Because they need to get the fuck away from my house.
This ain't your house.
Yes, the
This
fuck it
is her house. Is
It's
you
not on the
crazy?
lease.
How is she not on
So
the
whose
lease?
house is this?
She hasn't proved anything.
I don't gotta prove shit to
This
nobody,
is
y'all.
her
This
house.
is my shit. And I don't get no fuck.
Okay, stop all that yelling, please.
I can say it's my house.
This is her house, though. What
So I
do you
can
mean?
say-
Why would she
Where
be
your
at somebody
parents?
else's house? Hello?
Where are your parents?
Yes. She got the police at this house looking for them. She didn't call them and tell them that she's not missing. She know where she's at. You on speakerphone?
Police at your house
Yes.
to get Janita?
And like she don't like my mama don't know where Jania is at.
Yeah, she know where is she at?
Exactly.
That's not Jania's mom, right?
This is her mother. Jania's mother's mother. This is Evelyn.
No. We need to speak to Jania.
Y'all
And I'm trying to call her and she
Y'all
wasn't
have been talking to
answering.
her.
Y'all have been talking to her. Y'all just being a-holes right now. That's not cool. That's not okay. There's
And
some
then we talking
a minor
about
on.
Don't watch your mouth, Reggie.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, but that doesn't have nothing to do with your behavior.
Who's the young lady that's here with your grandson?
But you just said that she
This
can't
is
see
her house.
nobody. So who is she to
It's not her house. This is a man
how
here.
Whose house this
Okay,
is?
listen, stop all that yelling. But who is she to verify whose house is this if this is not her mother?
I don't know who that is.
Okay, G-Ma, who is this right? G-Ma, who is this right here with you? This is her house. Is this not?
To their knowledge, they are going to be calling
This
the
is
mother
her
to
house, like
verify.
she's saying.
10-4, I've got to know.
Can you add my mama to this call, please?
She went home.
Cause she not answering for me.
So
10-4?
make sure you stay away from me because if I get my hands on you, you're going to jail. Okay?
And that's for
I'm
what?
giving you a heads up.
For what?
Obstructing.
Hello?
I'm not.
But you're going into
And
somebody's
then if
home.
this man is telling
You have to
don't live
understand.
here,
You have to understand that
then
she
you're
does
trespassing.
though. She does though.
She has to prove her. Where's
Okay, G-Ma, but okay, stop
does
all
your
that.
ID,
Stop
does
all
your ID
that.
show you live here?
You didn't give her a chance to get her ID.
Show her ID.
Come on now,
tell
y'all
her.
going to y'all bringing somebody else's situation to her
Another
home.
minor, so I asked him could he get his foot out the door, and I do everything he said he needed me to do.
Right,
He don't
you
want to
just
get
doing
his
all
foot
this
out the door.
extra
He
stuff.
keep on talking to another minor, and I just told him that I was his guardian. Why are you still trying to talk to him?
We can't prove anything you're saying.
But you're not letting her. That's not what you're
All she needs to do
understanding.
is prove it.
But she doesn't. You're in the way. She
I'm
can't
yelling
prove
at me and I'm
anything.
talking.
Okay,
You're yelling at me
okay,
and I'm talking.
but you're.
I'm talking to you and you're yelling.
Okay, but
You're still talking and I'm trying to
I'm still
explain.
talking to you. Am I not?
I started talking and you started talking over me. If you give me a second,
then he's
I'll
She's trying
explain
to
to you.
You're not letting her
I
do
can't
anything.
verify who
We have
you
asked her
are.
This is
for
all y'all are
ID
doing is
multiple
talking.
times.
But how are she? You're in the way.
Go get your ID. Go get your ID.
She has to. Hey, how's you grabbing her? Why are you grabbing her? Why are you grabbing her? Hey, hey,
Stop, hey.
hey, why are you grabbing me, bro? Hey,
I get off you. Let my arms go, bro. Like
I'm not touching you.
stop.
Hey, hey.
See, that's what I just said. Oh my God.
I don't got no hands.
Oh my God.
I don't have any hands on you.
Hey.
What? How are you?
Get hit him. Hey.
Take him down. Take him to the
Hey, stop!
Oh, I don't got no hands.
Stop! You are under arrest. Look at this. Hey!
During the struggle, the suspect's boyfriend opens the door and makes a run for it. The officer does not give chase as they are already aware of his identity and where he lives.
Oh my God!
Who's phone?
He just pulled all his hair out his head. That's what you get. That's what the you get. Now let me go. You already got me in handcuffs. Let me the go. Oh my gosh. That's why I just said she should never call no police to my house. Garage locked the door. Let me go. Y'all some bitches. Let me go. On my brother. Let me go right now. You already got me in handcuffs. I asked you to let me the go. Yeah. Unloosen these cuffs. Unloosen them. I asked y'all to unloosen my cuffs before you put me in this car. Unloosen the cuffs before you put me in the car. Now.
Where's your ID?
In my pocket.
Which pocket?
Unloosen the cuffs. Damn. I'm gonna tell you what you unloosen my cuffs. I asked for a sergeant anyways. And why there no woman right here? And y'all all in my pockets. Let me go. Before I spit on you. Can you unloosen these cuffs? That's why I don't like stupid arrest and never call no police to my house. She just on the phone with the little girl. That shit dumb as I just told her there was too much going on for her arrest. She trying to call the police to her motherfucking house. Unloosen these cuffs. Unloosen the cuffs. Now let me go. Now let me go.
Mom is adamant the daughter will stay the night and will not leave.
Exactly. Now let me go. Now what you still putting me in the car for? If she just said that everything was okay, what are you still putting me in the car for? Charge me
You're
for
gonna get
what?
charged for resisting
I didn't resist nothing.
and for obstructing.
I didn't resist
Go
nothing.
ahead.
I
Go
didn't
ahead. Get in
resist
the car.
nothing.
I'm gonna write you a couple tickets and then you can go inside. Go on, get inside.
Who said I had time for all that?
I do. Get in. Otherwise, you're gonna get charged again.
Okay, but I
Get
asked
in.
you to
Get in.
unloosen my cuffs. This shit hurt.
Can you loosen the cuff?
You was a fucking bitch, and I want your name.
It'll be on the ticket.
I loosened it. That's what the fuck I said.
Get in.
I said I loosened it.
Get in.
I loosened the fucking cuffs. He talking about
The
they
officer
probably
checked
hit.
them. The officer
okay, I
checked
don't
them.
get no fuck. They hurt.
All right, go on, get in. If you would have cooperated from the very beginning.
I loosened this right cuff at least, bro.
Get in.
I loosened the right cuff.
Stop moving your arms and your wrist, and they won't bind up on you.
Bro, what the
Okay,
fuck
bro.
you think I'm doing?
Okay, come on,
I
just get in.
loosened the right cuff.
Just get in.
I loosened the right cuff. My wrist already fucking broke. You just
Your wrist is broke? Really? You seem to be resisting just fine.
Bro, I loosened the fucking cuff. Damn.
I can get my finger in there.
Okay,
I can get my finger in there. Get in. Sit down. Sit down.
I loosened the fucking cuff.
Sit in the car.
No, I loosened
Sit in the
this cuff
car.
first.
Otherwise, I'm going to help you win.
Bro,
Okay?
I just
Bro,
asked you to
there's
unloosen
room
the
in the
cuff.
cuff because I can get a
Ouch!
whole finger in there. Get in the
I
car.
don't give
It's
a
not
fuck. I
tight.
said this is tight.
Get in. You're going to get
I
charged
don't
again.
get no
You come over and help me. You hold this while I'm cuff her.
Hi, your name.
It's up there. Your stuff's up there. You're arrested because you committed 2 offenses.
But I asked his name though.
My star number's on the bottom of the ticket.
Okay, can I have his too?
Sure.
Can I have your
820.
badge number?
It's 820.
820.
Yep. All right, you're asking me where the 2 15-year-olds are? What are the 15-year-olds' names? What are the names of the 15-year-olds? And where do they live?
My brother was in the house.
Who's your brother?
The young man that you was talking to at the door.
The one that said his name was Duran?
Yes.
I don't know. He closed the door when you told him to close the door. Who's the other 15-year-old?
His friend was in there with him. He left.
Uh-huh. See, everybody likes to lie.
Well, nobody
Everybody
lied.
said there was only Duran in there. And there were
when
2 people
when
in
I
there.
left my
You understand the problem, RJ?
No, listen to what I'm trying to tell you. When I left my apartment, my brother had a friend over.
Let's go in the laundry room so no one hears your business.
You don't even have to come. I just want to know if y'all didn't take them, that's okay.
Where would you take them if you were in the car?
I don't know. I was asking
This is...
if y'all...
Come here for a second. Come here for a second. Come here for a second.
It's cold.
I understand. That's why I asked you to step in. You want to make those tickets disappear?
I gotta go to court. They don't disappear.
You want to make them disappear?
And how I'm gonna do that?
You be nice to me and you cooperate,
And I was
and I'll
doing
make
that.
them disappear.
All I asked you was to get your foot out the door, and I will do exactly what you
Okay,
said.
look at me for a second.
That little girl mother is putting everybody else's situation in harm's way.
We don't know that.
That little boy cannot be in no. He cannot be
Let me
in no
speak.
trouble.
The mom reported Janaea missing, or Gianni
Janaea.
missing last night. They asked us to come here.
And they came here last
We
night.
came here last night.
And we wasn't
And they
here.
refused to open the door, whether it was Duran or the other boy that was in here. Refused to open the door, refused to speak to us. Problem number 1. Problem number 2 comes to tonight when you refuse to cooperate. He refuses to tell us what his name is. Everybody wants to refuse. The only thing that does is create a problem for you and everybody else. Now you don't know where 2 15-year-olds are.
The other one,
They're- let
his
me
friend mama
finish.
probably came to get him. That's what
RJ.
I'm trying to say.
They're not supposed to be out this late. It's
Exactly.
coming up on curfew.
Exactly.
They can get arrested.
They sure can.
They can get hurt.
They can.
And if they get hurt, guess who it's going to come back to?
Me and what? That's why I'm
That's
looking.
right. Now you understand. Now you understand why we try and do our job. And when you impede us from doing our job, it makes things worse. Now you're at worse. I'm going to do you this favor. You come to court on March 19, and I'll make those tickets disappear.
Okay.
I need to see you in that courtroom on that morning, and you tell me that we're sorry. We're all sorry for all this. Okay? And I'll make them disappear. But moving forward, do not obstruct, do not refuse to cooperate, do not cause a problem for the police.
All right.
When we ask your name, it's very simple. We just want to know who you are. We need to know who the juveniles are in case they're missing.
Right.
We have a job to do. So see if you can find Duran and the other friend, and when you find them, call the police department and let us know that you found them. Otherwise, it's going to be a big problem, and it's going to come back to you because they were in your apartment.
I'm pretty sure he had one of the apartments over here.
Okay, but we don't know that.
He can't go nowhere else.
And then the other boy, Reggie, I'm assuming it's Reggie. That's a big problem. You don't fight with the police.
He was fighting. The police was fighting him. He did not touch that man.
He
I got
in the way when I was trying to come to get me.
Because you was grabbing me by my leg.
Because I told you you were under arrest.
No,
I
you
told
did not.
you-
Never tell me that.
I told you
Never
when you were
told me
standing
that.
up there that I was going to arrest you if I got my hands on you. I told you that very clearly more than one time, okay?
Okay, I'm finna go
So,
get it.
go. Good luck.